another critical question that we want to ask ourselves. What is RIoT-Hub? What is Remote Internet of Things Hub? Remember we said that RIoT-Hub is also a gateway. The RIoT-Hub provides smartphone and internet-based remote monitoring of RIoT sensors and control of RF solutions receivers. This compact self-contained unit is powered via a USB connector and is easy to set up. Simply connect it to your local Wi-Fi and it is ready to link with multiple RIoT sensors and receivers. The RIoT-Hub features two RF solutions, FSK and LoRa transceiver modules, operating in parallel, enabling it to function in two distinct RF modes, along with a Wi-Fi transceiver module for seamless internet connectivity. This provides reliable, flexible wireless control and monitoring for a wide range of applications. Simply download our free apps and follow the setup instructions. I'll give you a tidbit about FSK, where we say the RIoT-Hub features two RF solutions, FSK and LoRa transceiver modules. FSK and LoRa, they are two major techniques used for designing transmitter and receivers. FSK simply means frequency shift keying, and LoRa means long range.
You can also enable the feedback feature on your switches, which allows you to monitor the status of your paired relays from the green active. To add multiple devices to operate the same relay outputs, repeat the steps. Once your relays and your app buttons are paired, you can operate your receiver from anywhere. As long as you have an internet connection, your mini hub is connected to Wi-Fi and within operating range with the paired receiver.